Welcome to lecture 2 of making character face in manga style. Today I'm gonna teach you about how to make professional line art. As you see, this is the doodles from lecture 1. We're gonna do line art from this construction line. I will put my construction line layers in the folder for easier to manage layers. Just go to the bottom of layer panel and click on new layer folder to create new folder. Before we begin, I would like to tell you my concept of working on line arts. The line art is a combination of hard stroke and light stroke. All the things we have to do in this process is to connect from hard to light and light to hard. Okay? This will make our art more exquisite than we use line maker that come with software. I will show you now. At the area of the face where we think it might darker than other area, just use hard stroke and connect with light stroke where we think this area is brighter. On the details like eyelash, nose or lips, I will use light stroke because details should be really neat line. For drawing on hair, please keep in mind that the hair should come from the center of head, so please make the curved line from that point carefully. When you have done all of the line, there are still one process left, that is draw details, and I will teach you in the next lesson. And like always, if you have any question, please don't hesitate to ask me. Okay? Thank you.